Good morning, welcome back. New location today with Colin, one that Colin scouted yesterday. So we've decided to come back, and we've come back because some of the images we were putting up on the group chat was amazing. So with probably better conditions today, Colin?
Oh, far better.
So we're at, we haven't said where we're at, have we? Piper's Hill. Piper's Hill and what's the other hill called? And right, okay, we'll just call it Piper's Hill. But we're south of Birmingham, I suppose. Redditch area? No, not Redditch. Bromsgrove area. So yeah, just south of Birmingham. But this, we've only been walking 2 minutes. We've found this shot already. Look at the autumnal colours. Well, what's working is it's quite open to the right hand side. The light's coming through. It's looking fantastic. I'll put the image up now. Let me know what you think. Just going back to searching for locations, this is why it's good to be in Facebook groups or even just little groups of mates and friends, because they share their locations, they do the scouting as well as we do. So a big thank you to Colin for finding this location. And if we do ever find any locations, we do share them immediately, and we show off because we send them on the group chat. So look at this place, fantastic. But and it's just fantastic. But having that little group of people that you can communicate with and share your photography with is just something very special. We've got a great community of Thumbs Up Photography. It's a big community now, it's getting a big community, but it's still a very friendly community. Come join us as well on that. But yeah, Colin, thanks, this is an amazing place, amazing. So we've come to this other open area here that's quite clean. It's got all the carpet of red leaves, and I'm actually photographing an holly bush. I know it's an holly bush, but bear with, because in front of it there's this other tree, and I think it's a beech. It's only a small thin one, and it's got a lovely angle to it. And then coming from that is this, I think it's a sapling that it's coming from the left hand side, but it's these burnt bronze browns and oranges that are contrasting with the holly bush. So really the holly bush is just a background to the subject. And I've tried it in a portrait and landscape. I think a portrait works better because I can select, sort of get rid of that left hand side a little bit. There's a little bit of mess to the left hand side, and there is a little bit of open area to the right. But it's how the light's hitting it with that dark holly bush behind. I think it works really well. Let me know what you think. Sometimes you wish you'd have brought your macro lens. This is one of them. So I'm actually using my 50 to 400 because we've got some mushrooms on this old dead oak. It's the nicest dead oak tree that's fallen I have ever seen. It's all split, and where it's split, it's got little mushrooms growing out of it. And the more I look, the more I see, but there's this one little group of mushrooms that just look phenomenal. What makes it even better is the texture of the fallen tree that they're growing off. It's that windiness that the mushrooms are growing. I'll show you in a second, but I need to keep the suspense going a little bit. So that the mushrooms are coming out and curling up, so you've got that lovely shape of the mushrooms coming up, and then these gnarly, twisty, split bits of timber that are, the texture behind is just phenomenal. I'm going to work this for 10 minutes. Me and Colin are here. We've on doing the same sort of thing, different subjects or similar, trying to get different perspectives on them using the long lens. They look fantastic. So from this moment in time, what I didn't realise was I've recorded the rest of the video in a slow motion. What this does do though is show my kung fu skills. Let me know what you think. Absolute schoolboy error. Schoolboy error. So one of the shots I was trying to explain was a pano that I taken. It was about 7 or 8 stitched together, separating the subjects as best as I can, and I think it works really well. Let me know what you think about that. And then some more intimate shots. And then we had blue skies. Now it's blue skies for the first time in at least 2 weeks. And that brought a little bit more light. So we actually shot back to the beginning where we first started and basically took the same image as what I did at the beginning. Now I actually thought that the light was better at the end of the video rather than at the beginning. But I actually prefer the image at the beginning. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.